Ever felt like life's tossing you into turbulent seas, leaving you gasping for air? Well, what if I told you there's a way not just to survive, but to actually do well even when things get tough? In this video, we're diving into something special: Stoicism. It's like having a superpower for handling life's ups and downs. Imagine this. In our busy, chaotic world where problems and disrespect seem to pop up everywhere, Stoicism is like a hidden treasure chest, full of ancient wisdom that can help us stay strong. It's not just a bunch of old ideas. It's like having a guidebook to help us navigate through tough times. So, get ready for an adventure. We're about to discover how Stoic principles can help us steer through life's storms with confidence. So before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join our community on a quest for a more resilient and fulfilling life. Let's begin. 1. Maintaining composure. Maintaining composure means staying calm even when someone is rude or disrespectful to you. It's like being a strong, steady rock amidst a stormy sea. Instead of getting upset or angry when someone says something mean, you choose to stay cool and collected. This doesn't mean you ignore the disrespect or pretend it doesn't hurt. It means you don't let it control you or dictate your actions. You realize that you have the power to control how you react to the situation, and you choose to respond with grace and dignity. It's about being the master of your own emotions and not letting others drag you down with their negativity. So, the next time someone tries to rattle you with disrespect, remember to take a deep breath, stay centered, and respond with the calmness of a Stoic sage. 2. Self-examination. Self-examination is like taking a close look at yourself in a mirror. It's about reflecting on your actions, thoughts, and values to see if they align with the kind of person you want to be. Imagine you're looking into a mirror that shows not just your face, but also your inner self. You ask yourself questions like, did I act with kindness today, or did I stay true to my beliefs? It's not about judging yourself harshly. It's about being honest and seeing where you can improve. Maybe you realize that you acted impulsively or said something hurtful without thinking. That's okay. Self-examination is about learning and growing from those moments. It's about becoming more aware of who you are and striving to be the best version of yourself every day. So, take some time to reflect on your actions and values, and don't be afraid to make changes if you need to. 3. The power of pausing. The power of pausing is all about taking a moment to stop and think before you react to a situation. Imagine you're in a heated argument with someone and you feel yourself getting angry. Instead of immediately lashing out or saying something you might regret, you hit the pause button. You take a deep breath and give yourself time to calm down and think things through. It's like pressing the pause button on a movie to give yourself a chance to review the scene before it continues. Pausing allows you to respond with wisdom rather than reacting with emotion. It gives you the opportunity to consider the consequences of your actions and choose the best course of action. 4. Humor and smiles. Humor and smiles are like magic tools that can help you deal with disrespect and difficult situations in a positive way. Imagine someone says something mean to you. Instead of getting upset, you respond with a smile and maybe even a joke. It's like turning a dark cloud into a ray of sunshine. Humor and smiles have the power to disarm negativity and bring lightness to heavy situations. But it's important to use them wisely and kindly. Humor shouldn't be used to hurt or belittle others, but to bring people together and lighten the mood. A genuine smile can also work wonders. It's like a universal language of kindness that can break down barriers and build connections. 5. Rational response. Rational response means choosing to respond to a situation with reason and wisdom, rather than letting your emotions take control. Imagine someone does something that upsets you. Instead of immediately getting angry or upset, you take a moment to think things through. You ask yourself questions like, what's the best way to handle this situation? Or, what would be the most fair and reasonable response? It's like being the captain of a ship in a stormy sea. You don't let the waves toss you around, you steer the ship with a steady hand. Rational response is about staying true to your values and principles even when things get tough. It's about choosing to act in a way that reflects your integrity and dignity. 6. Embracing acceptance. Embracing acceptance means being okay with things that you can't change and focusing on what you can control. It's like accepting that it's raining outside and deciding to enjoy a cozy day indoors instead of wishing for sunshine. Acceptance doesn't mean giving up or being passive. It means acknowledging reality and making the best of it. It's about letting go of the need to control everything and finding peace in the present moment. For example, if something doesn't go as planned, instead of getting frustrated or upset, you accept it and look for ways to learn and grow from the experience. Acceptance is a powerful tool for personal growth and inner peace. So, the next time you find yourself facing a situation that you can't change, take a deep breath, accept it for what it is, and focus on what you can do to make the best of it. 7. Understanding through empathy. Understanding through empathy means putting yourself in someone else's shoes and trying to see things from their perspective. It's like imagining what it would feel like to walk a mile in their shoes, even if they're a different size or style than yours. Empathy is not just about listening to what someone is saying, but really trying to understand how they feel. For example, if a friend is upset about something that seems trivial to you, instead of dismissing their feelings, you try to understand why it's important to them. Maybe you realize that what seems small to you is actually a big deal to them because of their past experiences or personal beliefs. Empathy is about connecting with others on a deeper level and building stronger relationships based on understanding and compassion. 8. Setting boundaries. Setting boundaries means deciding what is okay and what is not okay for you in your relationships and interactions with others. It's like drawing a line in the sand to show where you stand and what you will tolerate. Boundaries are important because they help you protect your own well-being and ensure that others treat you with respect. For example, if someone is constantly crossing your boundaries by taking advantage of your time or disrespecting your feelings, it's important to speak up and let them know that their behavior is not acceptable. Setting boundaries is not about being mean or controlling. It's about taking care of yourself and teaching others how to treat you. In conclusion, the principles of Stoicism offer invaluable lessons for navigating life's challenges with grace and wisdom. By maintaining composure, practicing self-examination, and pausing before reacting, we can cultivate inner strength and respond to adversity with clarity and resilience. Furthermore, embracing humor, rational responses, and acceptance allows us to disarm negativity, make reasoned decisions, and find peace amidst chaos. Additionally, understanding through empathy and setting boundaries foster deeper connections and ensure mutual respect in our relationships. Through the practice of these Stoic principles, we can become individuals admired for our ability to navigate life's ups and downs with integrity, compassion, and a steadfast commitment to personal growth.